Hey everyone, today we're making this DIY spoon mirror. It is so elegant and so gorgeous, you guys. And it's not very expensive and it's so easy and simple to make. So I have a whole bunch of spoons and I just snap off the tops. I have a bunch of glue, some hot glue, my paintbrushes, and then I also have a mirror that I picked up from Dollar Tree, which is now 125 tree, I guess, and also some cardboard that I just cut off like a box. So I'm just gonna hot glue my mirror and then the spoons all around. I'm just gonna cut off all of the excess cardboard that I have, just so the edges are scalloped and I don't have any show through from the back. And then I'm gonna start painting. So I used this bronze color that I picked up from Walmart and it made the spoons like glow. It looked just like metal. It looks beautiful. So I highly recommend this color. It's a brushed bronze. So for the back, we're just gonna add in a rope handle just with some hot glue and then you're all set. You can hang it up in your living room, your entryway, bedroom. I have it up in my dining room and it's so pretty. Anytime you walk past, you just like stare at it. It looks like metal. It looks really expensive. It looks so beautiful and it looks like dragon scales or like a bronze chrysanthemum. So it's really beautiful and so easy to make. So I hope you guys give this a try and let me know what you think. Like and subscribe.